have an FSXML file from Microsoft Forefront Security, and need to access settings? These are configuration files for Microsoft's discontinued security suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Forefront security configuration files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful FSXML inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. An XML-based configuration file used by Microsoft Forefront Security for Exchange Server, a now discontinued enterprise security product. System administrators encounter this file when managing, migrating, or troubleshooting server settings related to antivirus scanning and content filtering rules for email systems. This file uses an XML, Extensible Markup Language structure, chosen for its human readability and platform-agnostic data interchange capabilities. The schema defines hierarchical settings for scan jobs, engine configurations, and filtering policies, allowing for easy parsing and modification by both the software and administrators. The direct link for opening FSXML files is established with Microsoft Forefront Security for Exchange Server from Microsoft Corporation. Viewing this file correctly requires specialized software that ignores the Windows association data. Windows cannot detect misuse of parameters, so editing without guidance can cause issues. Your first step to success, right-click the FSXML file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Forefront Security for Exchange Server is installed, try it first. If you don't see it, pick a different tool. You might need to try a couple to find the ideal match. When your FSXML file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, viewing in text editors. Open FSXML files in Visual Studio Code, XML Notepad, or any XML-aware editor. The structured XML content reveals security configurations and policy settings. Use editor features like XML formatting and syntax highlighting to navigate complex configurations and understand the policy framework defined in each file. Next, importing to Forefront. If working with active Forefront installations, import FSXML configurations through the Forefront Server Security Administrator console. The interface provides validated import options that apply settings consistently. Note that Forefront has been discontinued, so use only on supported legacy server environments. Finally, migrating to modern solutions. Migrate from Forefront to modern alternatives like Microsoft Defender for Office 365, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, or third-party solutions. Document FSXML configurations as a reference for replicating policies in current security platforms, ensuring continuity of organizational security posture during the transition away from end-of-life products. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.